Woke up feeling stiff, heavy, or low on energy? You don't need caffeine to feel alive. You need breath, blood flow, and space. This flow will wake up your body from the ground up. Let's hit the mat. Start in a standing position. Now slowly fold forward. Let your head hang, arms loose, and knees soft. This isn't just about touching your toes, it's about letting go. Let go of yesterday's weight, of tension you didn't know you were still carrying. I promise, this move decompresses your spine, increases blood flow to your brain, and reboots your nervous system faster than your phone can boot up. Beginners, bend your knees more. Advanced stretches, straighten your legs and shift your weight forward into your toes. Take a deep breath here. Do you feel your back begin to open? If not, melt 10% deeper. Stay here, because the next move is going to sweep that fatigue out of your system. Keep that full folded position. Now shift your weight side to side, reaching one hand toward the opposite foot in a sweeping motion. Feel the arm stretch, the spine twist slightly, and the hips begin to sway open. This is a dynamic release. I promise, this fires up your obliques, flushes stiffness from the lower back, and starts unlocking your inner rhythm. Beginners, shorten the sweep range. Advanced stretches, add a twist at the top of each side. Here's a surprising truth. Flexibility isn't just about muscles. It's about movement memory. Hold 5 seconds on each side and notice how much looser your body already feels. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Drop into a deep squat, elbows press into knees, spine tall. Now raise your right arm to the sky. Rotate through your spine, then switch. This move turns a resting posture into a power reset. I promise, it opens your thoracic spine, stretches your hips, and boosts blood flow to your core. Beginners, sit on a yoga block or fold a towel. Advanced stretches, hover just above the ground and keep the heels flat. Ask yourself this: can you move without tension? If not, this is your training ground. Keep going. We're about to test your range with the world-class challenge. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left hand down, right hand reaches the sky. Sink deep, twist wide. They call this the world's greatest stretch for a reason. It hits nearly every major muscle group in one flow. I promise, it opens your hips, strengthens your back, and improves mobility in the spine, shoulders, and hamstrings. Beginners, drop your back knee. Advanced stretches, keep it hovering over the ground for an extra burn. Feel that? That's your body waking up with purpose. Now, let's even it out. Switch sides, left foot forward, right hand down, left arm reaches up. It may feel tighter, that's okay. Each side tells a different story. Your job isn't to rush it, it's to listen. I promise, this final stretch balances your body and breath. It resets your nervous system and unlocks control in all the places that feel stuck. This last one's a challenge. Hold, breathe, reach further. 5 more seconds. Feel that fire? That's not soreness, that's strength. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.